Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to reset the network settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. Resetting mobile network settings is usually quite effective in fixing signal issues and network errors. And it doesn't take long. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap on General Management. In this menu, scroll down and tap the Reset option. Here, you will see this Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap on it. Then, go ahead and tap Reset Settings to reset the mobile network settings. This will reset all the network preferences to the default value and solve any problems. If you are experiencing problems with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you will need to tap on this Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings option and repeat the process. However, this process will remove all your saved Wi-Fi network problems and paired Bluetooth devices. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.